Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Brahmacharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatyarisharine Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Srivasadi Lord Bhaktivinoda Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Srivasadi Lord Bhaktivinoda Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, He was singing so nicely. Mataji, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
You remember Gaurav?
Yes, very much.
Singing nicely. And I don't know what happened. His mobile went off, or maybe he got a call. When you get a call, okay, Mataji, now you know is to use everything. And then also in your next, there is muting. Anytime you can mute yourself. Anytime the mobile, everything is there. You know, you can remove the video or audio. You get a call sometimes. You can always disconnect and then connect. But same link, there is nothing to change. All the classes I have morning, afternoon, evening, it is the same link, no change. Okay, you can hear Mataji? Hare Krishna. Oh, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhu Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
What happened to people's connection? Shobha Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Chalo, it's good now. Today Manjala Mataji has come. We have a special guest today.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
How are you?
Good.
I've been telling Mataji since day one, come in. She's not used to this Zoom. So finally she downloaded and she.
Nice to see you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare everybody. Nice to
Hare
hear.
Krishna, Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam.
You remember Mataji, the Prabhu Mataji from England?
No, Prabhuji, she was supposed to be joining us for the yatra, but unfortunately she wasn't able to.
You remember Mataji for the yatra?
Yeah, Mataji's name I remember. She wasn't able to
Join you
join
all.
us.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Mataji, you remember Sushmita and one Hemant used to come? Long time. The Bengali, they used to come from Nitte Pharmacy.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes.
That is Sushmita.
Yes.
She is in Surat now.
Oh, okay. Hare Krishna, Sushmita.
Chalo. Mataji, a lot of people will join. This is Sunday evening. It's going on since maybe 1 year. We did Krishna book 2 times. And our Shisha has not come, our specialist. He has become big scholar.
Shisha has not come?
He'll come. He comes always. He's our Shastric advisory committee. He gives a lot of, he keeps reading here and there and brings a lot of information for us. Okay.
Krishna Prabhu.
Mataji, we start now the Krishna book. 9:15 is the time to start. Our Gaurav, Hare Krishna Gaurav, he got a call from his job, I think. This is Mataji. This night is so nice, I tell you. This Shobha Mataji brings so many wonderful devotees from Salala. It has been a night I become so blissful. Hare Krishna Shobha Mataji, thank you.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. No. It is because of your this one from wonderful class. They are all joining.
No, whatever it is, your initiative.
Oh.
Very good association, Mataji. Wonderful devotees. I don't know how Krishna's grace. They all yatra, their yatra is very well developed. This is very, very intense chapter, Shobha Mataji. Who wants to do this? You are taking Krishna back from Manjula Mataji, you understood this chapter?
Yes, Prabhu.
Krishna, those are considered by gopis to be very inauspicious. Krishna taking Krishna from Vrindavan. So they will be very angry who is going to do this today. So, Mataji, you like to read Manjula Mataji? What we do is actually we read para after para and then we discuss. We don't, not like a class which I do in the temple. And then I give us brief on every para after we discuss. After somebody reads, and just like in temple, you read the purpose
Yes.
like that. And then if somebody has a question or somebody likes to add point, they join in. So it's a very pleasant, and we go on, say 9:50 now, we go till 10:30. And we stop at 10:30, whatever we have done. Generally, we do one chapter with pleasantly, no rushing, and it is enough for one chapter, 1 hour. Is it okay for your time?
Yes, Prabhu.
Chalo. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo
Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo
Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Jnanatirmirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Bhakti Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama
Hare Hare.
Mataji, this is Padmaja name. The Surnath Prabhu is there. When I went to Salala, I stayed in his house.
Oh, very nice.
He is also amazing devotee, very wonderful devotee.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. You looked after our Prabhuji very well. Thank you very much.
Surnath Prabhu, she is
Yes,
like taking care of the devotees since now how many years? 16 years. No, 18 years. 2002. And
2000.
anything, somebody sneezes also, we go to her nursing home.
she is situated where? No.
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
And she has a nursing home.
Okay.
So all the temple goes there only.
They're all locked down
Yeah.
now. They're inside. Hospital is closed. We are inside the house.
Right. That's one way. This is a good time
Total
from
lockdown.
that perspective.
Yeah.
Okay, Manjula Mataji, in your mobile, how is it? Is it readable, the text, or
It is readable, Prabhu.
what it is?
I'll
Is it
read.
readable? Yeah, you can start. We start with
That,
yours, and then yeah. This is the chapter. I'll start from the previous page. Starts from here. Chapter 38.
Akrura's return journey and his visiting of Vishnu Loka within the Yamuna
River.
river. Akrura was warmly received by Lord Krishna and Nanda Maharaj and offered a resting place for the night. In the meantime, the two brothers, Balarama and Krishna, went to take their supper. Akrura sat on his bed and began to reflect that all the desires which he had anticipated while coming from Mathura to Vrindavana had been fulfilled. Lord Krishna is the husband of the goddess of fortune, and being pleased with his pure devotee, he can offer whatever the devotee desires, but the pure devotee does not ask anything from the Lord for his personal benefit.
So nice. Actually, Mataji, previous chapter was very, very, very relishing. It was Akrura going to Vrindavan with all love for Krishna, and he's meditating. He is anticipating, so much anticipation. I will see Krishna today. I will see Krishna today. And he had a great chance, great opportunity to see Krishna, and he did see. And when he saw, even before seeing Krishna, he saw the footprint of Krishna on the ground. He rolled on the ground and cried in ecstasy. So much love for Krishna. Because that was Akrura. And when he finally met, he was the uncle of Krishna, finally met Krishna. And Krishna received him with so much. Hey, everybody, take care of any background sound. I'll keep a watch, but take care. The background sound is there. That time you mute yourself and then unmute yourself. Okay. Otherwise, fine. No need to. So then Akrura, after that he met Krishna Balaram, they received him with so much. He, in fact, when he saw Krishna Balaram, fell down on the ground And again, he was stunned in ecstasy and his tears are rolling with so much love. We read all that last time. And now it is the next thing. Akrura has taken rest and a night at Krishna Nanda Maharaj house. Is the same house. Where is our, where is gone Shisha? Not come till now. And the same, we have that house in anyway, Vrindavan. And then after that, what happened? He taken the, stayed in the night, and in the morning, this is the scene. Akrura is feeling before sleeping that all my desire is fulfilled. So Prabhupada is saying Krishna fulfills all the desires of a devotee. Whatever the devotee desires, Krishna gives. He is so loving. Okay? But if it is not good, he does not give. You do whatever, he will not give. Suppose something is not good for you. So therefore, it is good to ask Krishna. Even if you have desire in the heart, we should pray to Krishna that, Krishna, if it is not good for me, please don't give it. Because sometimes we are neophyte, we are Baddha Jiva, we cannot see the overall world. We can't even understand the mentality of people in this world, correct? So we may sometimes desire something wrong, but Krishna is so mercifully careful that this is not good for my devotee. So Krishna will not give. Just like a mother, Krishna's mood is like that, to take care and protect a devotee from something which is not very good for him. Even though he may be desiring, he will not give. Always good to go to Krishna, correct? And no need to go to Devatas, because Devatas will sanction even if it is not good for you. So you can offer whatever devotee desires, but Prabhupada says, wait a minute, pure devotee does not ask anything. That's not a class of a devotee. Pure devotee will not ask anything from the Lord. So he had, if it is all the spiritual desires, I will see Krishna, Krishna will take his hand, Krishna will bless me, all the thing he had in his heart, and Krishna fulfilled all that. Yes, anything else? Shisha, Hare Krishna, Shisha. Hare Krishna, Shisha, unmute yourself.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare, Manjula Mataji is there today.
Yeah. Most welcome.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Shisha, which is the house? Is it the same Chaurasi Khamba house? Which house they have come? Nanda Maharaj's house where he is sleeping, Akrura.
Nanda Maharaj house, Prabhu.
See, Akrura is sleeping in the house of Nanda Maharaj. Where? Where is the house in Vrindavan? That the Chaurasi Khamba one?
Yeah, that not Gokula, it is Nandagram now, Prabhu.
See,
already.
See, Krishna was first. First, he was in one place, and then after that, Krishna shifted to another place. Correct?
Yeah, now Nandagram. Last is Nandagram.
So Nandagram. So this is Chaurasi Khamba house is in Nandagram or Gokul?
That is Gokul.
So Nandagram, there is the house of Nanda Maharaj again?
Yeah, that is Nanda. It is a Nanda Maharaj's palace. Barsana is Vrishabhanu's palace.
That is we know. Take care. So Nanda Maharaj palace. Did we see that when we went to Vrindavan this time?
You didn't come, Prabhu. I taken them for Nandagram.
Oh, you took them. Oh, I did not go.
Yeah.
Okay. I was not well last day, so I missed. Yeah, okay. Next time we go to Vrindavan, we'll take Shisha with us. All these places you mark, we have to see where Akrura stayed in the night. Okay. Any other question? Anybody? Shri Ramji, Sushmita Mataji, Raman. Hare Krishna, Nupur.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yeah, Nupur, Manjula Mataji is there today.
Oh.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes. Chalo. Mataji, Manjula Mataji, is it comfortable for you to read from the mobile or you make somebody read?
Yeah, I finished one sentence. Let others read, Prabhu.
Okay. Nupur Mataji, our Krishna book reader.
Thank you, Prabhu.
After taking their supper, Mataji. Nupur.
Who's reading, Prabhu?
No, I'll tell. Nupur Mataji.
Okay. I'm reading. Okay.
After taking their supper.
Yes. Sorry, Prabhuji, I was late. Okay, I was stuck. After taking their supper, Krishna and Balaram came to bid goodnight to Akrura. Krishna asked about his maternal uncle Kamsa. How is he dealing with his friends? And he asked, how are my relatives? He also inquired into Kamsa's plan. The Supreme Personality of Godhead then informed Akrura that his presence was very much welcome. He inquired from him whether all his relatives and friends were well and free from all kinds of ailments. Krishna said that he was very sorry that his maternal uncle Kamsa was the head of the kingdom. He said that Kamsa was the greatest anachronism in the whole system of government and that they could not expect any welfare for the citizens while he ruled. Then Krishna said, my father has undergone much tribulation simply from being his son. For this reason also he has lost many other sons. I think myself so fortunate that you have come as my friend and my good friend Akrura, please tell me the purpose of your coming to Vrindavan.
Okay. Okay. So this is the speed is okay. Nopal Mataji, a little slowly later. Now it's okay, but when gopis feel separation from Krishna, little slowly. Okay?
Yes, Prabhuji, surely.
Now, Supreme Personality, the first thing is, so when you meet Krishna, you will feel always one thing very unique. Your presence is welcome. See, whenever you meet in this world any person, you're always in anxiety whether a presence is welcome. Don't you the first thing do you feel whether he wants me there or not? Isn't it? Correct?
Right.
But Krishna, one thing be assured, your presence is welcome. Correct? That is a beauty. Always you're welcome. Imagine how happy it is. Correct? We're always welcome. It is for us actually, from Krishna's side, we're always welcome. It is for us to decide. We do not want to go to Krishna. That is our misfortune. But he always, if you do go at Krishna's door, what will Krishna say? Welcome.
Welcome.
That is big fortune we have. And that is the only hope we have. We are always welcome. Even after doing what all rubbish, Krishna says, welcome. Please come. So in Bhagavad Gita also Prabhupada says, finally we are the beloved son of Krishna. We are all the beloved. Prabhupada says. Why does Krishna makes us relieve from the influence of Maya? Because we are finally the beloved son of Krishna. Krishna is very, all of us are very dear to Krishna, and Krishna will say, welcome. So it's only our decision, our part, to go to Krishna's door. Correct? And Krishna say, welcome. Okay. He inquired whether relatives or friends are doing well from all kind of ailment, and Kamsa was the greatest anachronism. Hey, Shriram.
Yes, Prabhuji.
ये anachronism का जरा dictionary में मतलब देखो exact मतलब. And the whole system was government, and they could not expect any welfare for the citizens he ruled. What is anachronism? Some kind of a dictator or some greatest. And they could not expect any welfare. So Prabhupada said actually we cannot make our dependents happy unless we are recognized by the Lord. Even we all now, most of you, nobody is a child here. All of us grown up except Prajesh, is the youngest member. So you all have dependent people. Either you are head of the family, or some people are head of their preaching yatra, or head of their vrinda. But we cannot make our dependents happy unless we are recognized by the Lord. Otherwise, we can become like Kamsa, and nobody will be any happiness will be there. So you should always remember this. Okay, my father has undergone so much tribulation. Krishna is always conscious of the difficulties of the devotees. He does not forget. Like, they try to give difficulty to Draupadi, and then in the Mahabharata war, Arjuna said, can you forgive? Krishna said, no, kill them. Krishna did not want to forgive them because they are given so much pain. Krishna does not, Krishna understand the devotee situation. You can understand the pain of Draupadi, the helpless condition. She's been given so much pain. Anna, what do you say? So much pain. And Krishna is watching. Krishna remembers that. And when Arjuna said, can you forgive? No. Similarly, Narsimhadev was also watching all the difficulty Prahlad Maharaj has gone through. Correct? And his anger was like, even after he was killed, Hiranyakashipu has killed all his soldiers, still his anger was so much. Unless Prahlad Maharaj came, fell at his feet, lotus feet, offered him wonderful prayers, then his anger cooled down. Correct? Otherwise, Krishna also always very conscious, very, 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 very difficult. It is to give, very dangerous to give pain to a devotee because Krishna is watching that. We should be very careful. So much tribulation. So see, imagine Krishna is noticing that. So much tribulation. Imagine it's a pain, no? In front of you, a child is murdered one after another 6 times. They watched all that. So much pain. And not only that, every time when the child is in the womb and he knows what is going to happen, and it happens. Imagine they have gone through how many years of torture, correct? True, they are very advanced devotee, and even in that situation, they could remember Krishna. I don't think any one of us could have remembered Krishna in that situation. We would have even lost faith. We have devotees of Krishna and what is going on. But for this reason also, he lost many others simply for being my being his son, correct? Because Krishna is going to come. I think, yes, I'm so fortunate that he come to as my friend and our relative. My dear friend Akrura, and Krishna knows he is his devotee. Therefore, Krishna is welcoming him. Okay, now Shisha, any expert comments?
No.
Not at this stage. Later, expert comments will come when they go to Akrura Ghata, and Shisha will explain the change between Vrindavan Krishna and Vasudeva Krishna. Isn't it, Shisha? Yeah, you get that thing ready. Jiten, I just see some people are new here. I'll just welcome them. Jiten Sinha, Hare Krishna, Jiten. Hare Krishna, Jiten.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
From Salala.
Oh, take care. No problem.
Jiten.
Then Salala means I don't have to worry. They're all well trained.
He is a Bengali. He knows Bengali very well.
Oh.
He's a very good
जीतेन जी, आपको कुछ एक बंगाली भजन के लिए सोचिए आज ये कृष्णा and then gopis का कुछ भजन कोई दे सोचना.
He has been invited for that.
Oh. So Shoma Mataji, give him some bhajan, he can sing. ठीक है.
Yes,
No,
yes.
ठीक है. Others people all I know. ठीक है. I was thinking, who is this Jiten today? Welcome, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. आपको क्या हिंदी इंग्लिश भी समझ आता है? मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में सारांश करूं.
He knows English.
Oh, ठीक है.
Yes, Prabhu.
ठीक है. तो आपको तो हिंदी भी आता है, बंगाली भी आता है, इंग्लिश भी आता है. Welcome.
He is basically Assam, from Assam.
Assam.
Yeah, but he is good in Bengali.
ठीक है.
Bengali songs particularly.
अभी प्रभु जी हमको वो जो डेली हम पढ़ रहे हैं ना चैतन्य चरिता में तो पढ़ते हैं वो पूरा बंगाली में है.
We have been inviting him, calling him to come.
आज एक संडे का दिन हम ये कृष्णा बुक का सीरियल चल रहा है बहुत सालों से तो उसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं. बाकी दिन चैतन्य चरिता में. ठीक है जितेन जी. हरे कृष्णा. ओके कंटिन्यू. नूपुर माता जी कंटिन्यू. रीड स्लो.
Yes, Prabhu. After this inquiry, Akrura, who belonged to the dynasty of Yadu, explained the recent events in Mathura, including Kamsa's attempt to kill Vasudev, the father of Krishna. He related the things which happened after the disclosure by Narada that Krishna was the son of Vasudev. Sitting by him in the house of Nanda Maharaj, Akrura narrated all the stories regarding Kamsa. He told how Narada met Kamsa and how he himself was deputed by Kamsa to come to Vrindavan. Akrura explained to Krishna that Narada had told Kamsa all about Krishna's being transferred from Mathura to Vrindavan just after his birth and about his killing all the demons sent by Kamsa. Akrura then explained to Krishna the purpose of his coming to Vrindavan, to take him back to Mathura. After hearing of these arrangements, Balaram and Krishna, who are very expert in killing opponents, mildly laughed at the plans of Kamsa.
He's planning to kill Krishna. Definitely Krishna will laugh. Okay. So Narada has done so much. But you see that Krishna is not taking any offense. Because even if he has changed the plan, Krishna respects him as his devotee. Krishna will honor all the plan of Narada. Correct? And he also, Narada is fully under the control of Krishna via Yogamaya. He only, sweetens the Lord's pastime. Because Narada went to Kamsa and said, "Arey, what are you doing? You don't know. Krishna has already sitting in Vrindavan. This Vasudeva cheated you. He hid him. He told the whole story." Somehow he knows everything. One thing, he knows everything. Narada, by the mercy of Krishna, he knows everything. And he informs, you know this, and Kamsa becomes very angry. He, in fact, even first thinks of killing Vasudeva, and Narada says, no need to kill him. Danger is kill Krishna, kill Krishna. You remember we read last time. You kill Krishna because just like sometimes Jamar, go die. He wants to quickly finish off the past. Wants to hasten Krishna's pastime. So like that. Mathura just after birth, after killing of the devil, so he had revealed everything. So Akrura says that Narada has done everything now, and Vasudeva comes to call you, and he wants to plan to kill Mathura. Wants to take him back to Mathura, okay, so that Kamsa can kill him. So for Kamsa, the whole thing became, one. You could add 1:1 because all the demons descend and Vrindavan, they were killed. And that person is the same Krishna which is predicted by the Akashvani. Now he is able to reconcile everything and he knows. So therefore he sent immediately Akrura. Okay. Hare Krishna. We continue?
Yes, Prabhu.
Anybody likes to add anything? Shobha Mataji, Shisha, at this moment. Gaurav, Hare Krishna, you got a call from your office, I think.
No, sir. Actually, I had a power cut, sir. So,
take it. No
sorry,
problem.
sir. Really sorry.
Take it. No problem. Chalo, we continue, Nupur Mataji.
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu. They asked Nanda Maharaj to invite all the cowherd boys to go to Mathura to participate in the ceremony known as Dhanur Yagna. Kamsa wanted them all to go there to participate in the function. On Krishna's word, Nanda Maharaj at once called for the cowherd boys and asked them to collect all kinds of milk preparations and milk to present in the ceremony. He also sent instructions to the police chief of Vrindavan to tell all the inhabitants about Kamsa's great Dhanur Yagna function and invite them to join. Nanda Maharaj informed the cowherd boys that they would start the next morning. They therefore arranged for the cows and the bulls to carry them all to Mathura.
So now this decision has been made, correct? Decision has been made, they are going to go. Okay? So what happened? Akrura met Krishna, he has taken rest. Okay? Akrura became very happy. Okay? And in the night, Krishna Balaram came to him. Krishna asked, what are the plans? It all happened in the night and the decision is made. Fatafat. Akrura, okay. So, and then the message has been conveyed. I think the night only the message has been conveyed now to Nanda Maharaj that we want to go to. And Nanda Maharaj said, okay, tomorrow morning itself we'll leave. Hana?
Yeah.
And things have happened very fast. So next day morning itself we're going to leave. I arranged for the cows and bulls to carry them to Mathura. So all the arrangements are being done. Now, who is going to take Krishna out of Vrindavan? Chalo, Nupur Mataji, you read slowly. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu. When the gopis saw that Akrura had come to take Krishna and Balaram away to Mathura, they became overwhelmed with anxiety. Some of them became so aggrieved that their faces turned black, and they began to breathe warmly and had palpitations of the heart. They discovered that their hair and dress immediately loosened. Hearing the news that Krishna and Balaram were leaving for Mathura, others who were engaged in the household duties stopped working as if they had forgotten everything, like a person who is called forth to die and leave this world at once. Others immediately fainted due to separation from Krishna. Remembering his attractive smile and his talks with them, the gopis became overwhelmed with grief. They all remembered the characteristics of personality of Godhead, how he moved within the area of Vrindavan, and how with joking words he attracted all their hearts. Thinking of Krishna and their imminent separation from him, the gopis assembled together with heavy beating hearts. Completely absorbed in the thought of Krishna, tears fell from their eyes. They began to converse as follows.
Okay,
Oh,
total helplessness. Isn't it? This is intense, very, very intense actually. Stika, take care. If I silence somebody, just to take care of background sound. Okay. Away from Mathura, they overrun with anxiety. You see that? Out of this such intense love, they're full of anxiety. Some of them become so aggrieved, the faces turned black. They started having, breathing warmly, all these medical symptoms also, and palpitation in the heart. They discovered the hair and dress, they're completely losing, care of themselves, body. Krishna Balaram leading who engaged in household duties, they stopped working as if they have forgotten everything, like a person called for to die and leave the world. They're taking as if it is their death. Some of them fainted. Can you just remember this? Read all this. Some of them fainted due to separation from Krishna. And remembering his all attractive smile and talks with them, gopis being overwhelmed with grief. They're having intense. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to taste all this. Anna? They all remembered the characteristics of the personality of God and how he moved in the area of Vrindavan, how his joking body attracted all their heart. Thinking of Krishna, imminent separation, Gopi assembled together heavy beating heart, completely absorbed in thought of Krishna. Tears are falling, tears fall when you're helpless. You can't do anything, correct? They began to converse as follows. They could foresee an imminent separation from Krishna. And this is actually pure love. A reflection of that you get in this world, but this is intense, pure love. Isn't it?
Mm.
What do you say, Shobha Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
You like to read one paragraph?
It's okay, Prabhuji. No problem.
You can read, Mataji. At least you read little time.
Okay. Oh Providence, you are so cruel. It appears that you do not know how to show mercy to others. By your arrangements, friends contact one another. But without fulfilling their desires, you separate them. This is exactly like children's play that has no meaning. It is very abominable that you arrange to show us beautiful Krishna, whose bluish curling hair beautifies his broad forehead and sharp nose, who is always smiling to minimize all contention in this material world, and then arrange to separate him from us. Oh Providence, you are so cruel, but most astonishingly, you appear now as Akrura, which means not cruel. In the beginning, we appreciated your workmanship in giving us these see the beautiful face of Krishna. But now, just like a foolish creature, you are trying to take out our eyes so we may not see Krishna here again. Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaja, is also very cruel. He must always have new friends. He does not like to keep friendship for a long time with anyone. We gopis of Vrindavan, having left our homes, friends, and relatives, have become Krishna's maidservants. But he is neglecting us and going away. He does not even look upon us, although we are completely surrendered unto him. Now, all the young girls in Mathura will have the opportunity. They are expecting Krishna's arrival, and they will enjoy his sweet smiling face and will drink its honey. Although we know that Krishna is very steady and determined, we are threatened that as soon as he sees the beautiful faces of the young girls in Mathura, he will forget himself. We fear he will become controlled by them and will forget us. For we are simple village girls. He will no longer be kind to us. We therefore do not expect Krishna to return to Vrindavan. He will not leave the company of the girls in Mathura.
He did not leave there. This is almost what you say, madness in the love of Krishna. The way they will speak now. Many times when Krishna disappeared from the Rasa Leela, they were talking to the tree, they're talking to the mountain, they're talking to the air. The love of Krishna is so intense. this has kind of a talk where they're indulging it. In the sense that too much intense love, when it is disturbed, correct? They are now fighting with the providence. What providence? How we can do this? You cannot do this. You cannot take away Krishna from us. It is abominable that we arranged to show us beautiful Krishna with blue, beautiful skullish hair. They're remembering beautiful face of Krishna, always smiling. The Prabhupada says, once you have seen Krishna, you cannot be separated from him. Just like we are not, at least myself, just beginning devotees. But even then, we cannot read any other book. No, we only want to read Krishna consciousness now. Why? Because once you touch Krishna, it is like that. The same way, we are not interested in anything. We only want to hear Krishna Kirtans. We only want to take Krishna Prasadam. Don't you think already by Prabhupada's mercy, so much life has changed? Isn't it? Correct? We
Yes,
only
Prabhu.
want Krishna Kirtan, we want only Krishna Prasadam, we want only Krishna philosophy. We're not reading other books.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So same way, now when you personally get an opportunity to see Krishna face to face, you can just imagine we cannot imagine this. Presently, we are not able to even think what it will be, but this is intense. Each word is very, very intense.
This is Viraha Gita, Prabhu.
Yeah, this is very intense. It is the highest ecstasy in Krishna consciousness. It is looking pain. It is not pain. It is the highest ecstasy in spiritual life. Externally looking that, they're getting so much pain, but actually it is khatta meetha. Materially it looks a plain, but spiritually it's the greatest ocean of pleasure. Krishna does not give pain to his devotees, never. Correct? For us conditioned soul, yes, sometimes we get pain in this world, but that is for our purification. But for us liberated souls like gopis, there is nothing, no need to give them any pain. Why? There is pure devotees. Krishna is enhancing their pleasure. Correct? But for people like us who are sitting from outside, it looks like, they're getting so much pain now. And this is in intense, waves and what we say, Rupa Goswami says, the waves and ripples of love of Krishna which are shaking. The ocean of love of Krishna is shaking when these gopis are talking. And if we become devotee in that ocean, we can feel that, waves. But presently, little we are able to understand. When a heart is pure, we will be able to. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you will read this again and again. Saru Damodara, Rupa Goswami, they were reading this again and again. And he was relishing the love of the gopis headed by Radharani to Krishna. Isn't it? Is it right? Okay. Now they are thinking, oh, he will go to Vrindavan, Mathura. And Krishna is so beautiful. And all the girls, and that's what happened. When Krishna enters Mathura and walks, the girls are looking at him because Krishna was a famous personality. The word of mouth that has gone. You don't have a newspaper like today, but word of mouth is there. They heard about Krishna doing wonderful pastime in Vrindavan. Some girls in the house, top of the house in Mathura, they faint when they see Krishna. He's so beautiful, actually. And actually, it is true. Krishna is the enchanter of the soul. They will enjoy his sweet, smiling face and drink its honey. And this is out of their ecstasy they are speaking. Krishna is very steady, but when he sees this girl, he'll forget. That is Krishna is Swarat. He's Atmaram, fully satisfied in himself. But when devotees are ready to relate to him, Krishna will never disappoint devotees. Therefore, we do not expect Krishna to return. And actually, they are foreseeing something which is going to happen. Krishna will never come back to Vrindavan, isn't it? In one sense. Other sense, he never leaves Vrindavan. From Akrura Ghat, Krishna doesn't go, somebody else goes. Isn't it, Shisha?
Yeah, Prabhu.
Vasudev Krishna will go. But still, he was stayed with them in their meditation because Krishna is, either way is always present. So gopis never lost anything. The Krishna was always with them, and their love for Krishna only enhanced. So he goes away, you remember him more when you love him, correct? So their love for Krishna enhanced. And Krishna's, they were always samadhi on Krishna. They left everything, their home, everything. They were whole day just talking about Krishna. Total samadhi on Krishna. That's what I can speak. Shisha, you wanted to add something at this point? He's waiting for. He's waiting for
this is
Akrura Ghat.
No, these are separation that feeling felt by the gopis, that viraha, that long the separation, the more the ecstasy they are feeling, and they are feeling the more present.
So this is all. Yes, Surnath Prabhu, you like to say something?
Yes, sir. Now, some explanation is that in this viraha means after this viraha, when there is a meeting, so that is more ecstatic. That after in viraha, they are telling that in smriti and spurti, in the memory, there will be a spurna in the body of the devotee. And after viraha, when they meet, so that ecstasy is the highest one. Because they are in the very high sentiments during the separation. So Milan after Bira is topmost ecstasy.
That will happen at Kurukshetra also. There's a lot of time is there.
Yeah, Kurukshetra is one example.
More the duration, more the this one. More the duration of viraha, more the separation and meeting, and more the separation, more the when they meet, a bit more intense that this one actually.
Manjula Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, I'm listening.
The interesting analysis. They are telling that when you get separated from somebody, you feel so much anticipation. You meet, you're so happy. And then again, that separation, that separation meeting goes on. Correct? And more the separation, more the pleasure in meeting.
You have to be that platform to know it, Prabhu.
Correct.
Yeah.
They look to be experts on that.
Yes.
Chalo, we continue. Surnath Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. You like to read Surnath Prabhu? Some.
Okay. The gopis began to imagine the great functions in the city of Mathura. Krishna would pass through the streets, and the ladies and young girls of the city would see him from the balconies of their respective houses. Mathura city contained different communities known then as Dasarha, Bhoja, Andhaka, and Satvata. All these communities were different branches of the same family in which Krishna appeared, namely the Yadu dynasty. They were also expecting the arrival of Krishna. It had already been ascertained that Krishna, who is the rest of the goddess of fortune and reservoir of all pleasure and transcendental qualities, was going to visit Mathura city.
Just wait, Prabhu. Just go through this paragraph. So the gopis are now thinking about what is going to happen. Great function will happen in the city of Mathura. Krishna will walk into the streets, and the girls will see, all the ladies will see from the balconies, because in the Vedic time there is no mixing, correct? And so the ladies will not come in public, they will maintain little distance. And from the balconies they will see. Mathura city contained different communities known as Dashara, Bhoja, Andhaka, Satvata, different branches of the same family in which Krishna appeared, namely the Yadu dynasty. They're all expecting the arrival of Krishna because they heard a lot about Krishna's glories. Already, and even each one of them is miracle. No? So we come to know nearby town, somebody lifted a mountain. Don't you think you would like to see him? Correct? And now, how many they have heard all, not one, so many pastimes, and also how much Krishna is giving pleasure to the devotee. They've all been hearing. They're all expecting the arrival of Krishna. Already been ascended in the Krishna with the rest, and maybe he's the only hope they have, who will save them from the atrocities of Kamsa. Correct? They're all waiting. He is their hero. Krishna, with the rest of the god of the fortune, with all pleasure, was going to visit Mathura city. Yes.
I have a doubt, sir.
Gaurav, huh?
Sir, it's quite amazing to read all these things, but then Mathura and Vrindavan are not that far away, no, sir. It's 30-40 kilometers.
वो इतना नहीं है आपका, वो क्या कहते हैं आजकल का ऑटो लेके. It was one evening previously.
Okay. But in reality, sir, they could have still gone and seen Krishna, right? At least one in a year or something.
भाग के गए कहीं एक बारी. अक्रूरा आया ना अभी. It's come from Mathura only, no? See, also the thing is that the Kamsa's rule is there, the freedom is restricted.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes.
And somebody is going to see Krishna, so many things, and who is exactly Krishna slowly will reveal to them, and Vasudeva Devaki, he will accept them as the parent. Then they come to know something was happening. Correct?
Okay,
The
sir.
1 plus 1 is 2, not for everybody. Narada is revealed to Kamsa. Now he is able to understand what's all happening. He can connect the dots now. Who is this Krishna? Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But for them, it takes everything takes time.
Krishna is,
This is going on.
now Krishna is going to be prince there. And these are ordinary village girls.
What is that?
Then Krishna is going to be prince in Mathura now.
Prince
Yeah.
in
After then now till now he was with the covered boys and covered girls. Now ordinary covered boys and covered girls in Vrindavan, in Brijabhumi, in Mathura, he'll be the prince now actually. That there, how can they go and meet that?
Yes, true. I got it now.
Yeah.
But this is an
In the
amazing
beginning, they would not have understood. Also, it takes time.
Aishwarya.
But it was known. His pastimes were, they have been traveling. Correct? People, just like the milk trade, like this traders would be there taking the message. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Now we are thinking they are bringing milk. So like that, so many things will be brought from Vrindavan. And the news will already be spreading about Krishna. Correct? Otherwise, when Krishna comes there, we see Krishna enters Mathura city, the Brahmanas will do arti on the road. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Anna?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
many
Sure,
people, somebody makes a flower garland for Krishna. Already people are naturally or whichever way devotees of Krishna already. Chalo, Krishna will enter Mathura tomorrow, next Sunday. Let us continue now. Surnath Prabhu, yes, we can.
Yes, sir. The gopis then began to condemn the activities of Akrura. They stated that he was taking Krishna, who was more dear than the dearest to them, and who was the pleasure of their eyes. He was being taken from their sight without their being informed or solaced by Akrura. Akrura should not have been so merciless, but should have taken compassion on them. The gopis went on to say, the most astonishing feature is that Krishna, the son of Nanda, without consideration, has already seated himself on the chariot. From this, it appears that Krishna is not very intelligent. Yet he may be very intelligent, but he is not very civilized. Not only Krishna, but all the cowherd men are so callous that they are already yoking the bulls and cows for the journey to Mathura. The elderly persons in Vrindavan are also merciless. They do not take our plight into consideration and stop Krishna's journey to Mathura. Even the demigods are very unkind to us. They are not impeding his going to Mathura.
Yes, so they are thinking, why don't demigod do something? Some, cyclone, something, do something. See, all that's the detail. Main thing we can see the love for correct? And if we can, by grace of Prabhupada, by grace of Vaishnavas, we can get even trace of this love, then our life becomes wonderful. Correct? There's trace of so much we can see. There's so much love. They want Krishna, isn't it? Can we say with the same intensity? We can even once say Krishna. We are unable to say. Our heart is not pure. Correct? Such intensity they are, feeling, isn't it? Are we feeling separation from Krishna? Prabhupada says the highest training of the Guru is that to bring a disciple to the platform of doing devotion service in this world and constantly feeling separation from Krishna. Correct? At the same time. Correct? At the heart, feeling intense separation from Krishna and externally doing all service to Krishna with great faith. So this is actually the summit. What we are reading is a summit. This is like the topmost platform. Isn't it, Shisha? Topmost platform. This is.
Topmost, summit.
We have to reach this and the whole life of devotion service. If Krishna can give us this steady, not that, okay, 5 minutes now in a station of devotees we feel here, but then again we are drawn down now. We can constantly be in this platform. And also we should understand, very important, how fortunate the gopis are, how fortunate they are to get this consciousness, correct? How fortunate. This kind of fortune, even Shiva, Narada, they don't have. Highest fortune to get this level of love for Krishna. Yes, any comment? Today Rangini Mataji is not there. Maybe has a class, Sunday class. Chalo, continue.
The gopis prayed to the demigods to create some natural disturbance, such as hurricane, a storm, or heavy rainfall, so that Krishna could not go to Mathura. They then began to consider, despite our elderly parents and guardians, we shall personally stop Krishna from going to Mathura. We have no other alternative than to take this direct action. Everyone has gone against us to take away Krishna from our side. Without him, we cannot live for a moment. The gopis thus decided to obstruct the passage through which the chariot of Krishna was supposed to pass. They began to talk among themselves. We have passed a very long night, which seemed only a moment, engaged in the rasa dance with Krishna. We were looking at his sweet smile and were embracing and talking. Now, how shall we live even for a moment if he goes away from us? At the end of the day, in the evening, along with his elder brother Balram, Krishna would return home with his friends. His face would be smeared with the dust raised by the hooves of the cows, and he would smile and play on his flute and look upon us so kindly. How shall we be able to forget him? How shall we be able to forget Krishna, who is our life and soul? He has already taken away our hearts in so many ways throughout our days and nights. And if he goes away, there is no possibility of our continuing to live. Thinking like this, the gopis became more and more grief-stricken at Krishna's leaving Vrindavana. They could not check their minds and they began to cry loudly, calling the different names of Krishna. Oh dear Damodara, dear Madhava.
So beautiful. Huh? Can we ever cry Damodara, Madhava with this love? Anna? We are living peacefully as if there is no need of Krishna. That is our consciousness. Anna? There's so such pure love, Krishna. Dear Madhava. Okay, Gopi prays to demigod, do some hurricane, something. This is intense, almost madness in love of Krishna. But main thing you see their love, not the details. Despite our elderly parent, we shall personally stop Krishna. We will stop. No, we have to take a direct action now. We cannot live for a moment. Without him, we cannot live for a moment. And we are living here, absorbed in sense gratification. Totally, where is Krishna in that word? Anna? Correct? So when we associate with this, just associate. We are all associating through Srila Prabhupada today, Anna, with this beautiful sentiment. Without him, we cannot live for a moment. The Gopi decided to obstruct the passage with the chariot of Krishna supposed to pass. We passed a very long night, moment, and it engaged rasa dance. Only a moment it looked to them. One night of Brahma. Okay? That was just a moment for them. We were not satisfying at all. We were looking a sweet smile and embracing and talking. Now, how shall we live for a moment if he goes away? This is a relationship is not material. It is totally spiritual. We should not at all ever by mistake also think this is something similar to what we do in the material world. It's totally spiritual. Totally on a spiritual plane. That's why Narada also says, even if some devotee falls down from devotion service, Swadav, keeps remembering the taste of devotion service. Correct? Along enter, but the Krishna would return home with his friend. His face would be smeared with dust raised from the hooves of the cows. And then what will happen? He would smile and play on the flute, look upon us so kindly. How shall we be able to forget him? How will we be able to forget Krishna with our life and soul?
The same feeling is exhibited by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Same. He came to taste this only. Anna?
Yeah.
Became more and more grief-stricken. They could not check their mind and began to cry loudly. And now in this situation, their heart burst out. They're loudly chanting, oh dear Damodara, dear Madhava. And total helplessness. Correct? Krishna, please don't leave us. Maybe not one birth, million births later, we can. Isn't it? Manjula Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, I'm here.
So beautiful this is, no?
Yes, very nice.
To read with this wonderful devotee, it is so nice.
Yes.
Alone we can read, but with devotees, when you read, it is so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, very sweet.
Chala. Yes, Surnath Prabhu, continue.
The gopis cried all night before the departure of Krishna. As soon as the sun rose, Akrura finished his morning bath, got on the chariot, and began to start for Mathura with Krishna and Balrama. Nand Maharaj and the cowherd men got up on bullock carts after loading them with milk preparations such as yogurt, milk, and ghee filled in big earthen pots and began to follow the chariot of Krishna and Balram. In spite of Krishna asking them not to obstruct their way, all the gopis surrounded the chariot and stood up to see Krishna with pitiable eyes. Krishna was very much affected upon seeing the plight of the gopis, but his duty was to start for Mathura, for this was foretold by
Did I do any change?
foretold.
For this was
Just
foretold by Narada.
Yeah, foretold by
Narada.
okay. Okay. So would smile and play on his flute and look upon us so kindly. How shall we be able to forget him? How shall we be able to forget Krishna?
Okay, no, sorry, Prabhuji. There is some, see, here we are.
Yeah,
Krishna was very much affected upon seeing the plight of the gopis. Actually, what happened?
yeah.
That picture is there. I wanted to show you the same picture. That's why I went there and confusion happened. Now, continue. But it's
Krishna was
beautiful.
very much affected upon seeing the plight of the gopis. But his duty was to start for Mathura, for this was foretold by Narada. Krishna therefore consoled the gopis. He told them that they should not be aggrieved. He was coming back very soon after finishing his business. But they could not be persuaded to disperse. The chariot, however, began to head west, and as it proceeded, the minds of the gopis followed it as far as possible. They watched the flag on the chariot as long as it was visible. Finally, they could see only the dust of the chariot in the distance. The gopis did not move from their places, but stood until the chariot could not be seen at all. They remained standing still as if they were painted pictures. All the gopis decided that Krishna was not returning immediately, and with greatly disappointed hearts, they returned to their respective homes. Being greatly disturbed by the absence of Krishna, they simply thought all day and night about his pastimes and thus derived some consolation.
So beautiful. Okay. You can see. I chose this painting. This painting is done by the devotees in the beginning when they are just learning to paint. Okay, but still you can see everything is there in the painting. Anna? Can you see this painting? That innocent is so sweetly made. Krishna Balaram. Look at the gopis. Abba. So much love. Look at gopi here. You can see. And one is painted already on the ground. Garland. Anna? Some are, trying to, do something to the horses.
Very painful.
Yeah. And look at so much love for Krishna.
Praying to Akrura also.
Ah. Yeah. Some are talking to Akrura. Don't do this. These are all Yogamaya. This is all within the Yogamaya. Where is Krishna going away? Isn't it? Correct. All the Yogamayas create pleasure for Krishna, enhances pleasure for the devotees. And very nicely it said even Krishna was shaken up. See, because Yogamaya arranges Krishna also to enjoy this. Correct. See when you see the intense love of somebody, you also become shaken up. Correct. And this is pure love. There is nothing they are wishing for themselves. Correct. Pure love. And it says Krishna also allows, Yogamaya plays on Krishna. And Balaram is also smiling, seeing their love. They love my Krishna so much. So maybe one life. Manjula Mataji, how many lives we will reach to reach this purity? We can think about on this matter. Krishna was very much affected upon seeing the plight of the gopis. Krishna knows actually. He knows what is happening, but still he allows Yogamaya, just like when Mother Yashoda is scolding Krishna.
I can't even.
Yeah. And when Mother Yashoda is scolding Krishna, at that time, Krishna feels fear, He allows Yogamaya to play. Otherwise, he cannot enjoy. So Krishna is also enjoying their love. So much intense feeling. Don't go, Krishna. Please don't go.
Krishna never leaves Vrindavan. Krishna never sambhota. Svasyata paraha. Vrindavan pradityaja. So kachan nave gachat.
But Surnath Prabhu is taking Krishna from Vrindavan. Surnath Prabhu, be careful. Akrura got cursed by the gopis. You know that? Akrura got cursed.
Yeah.
Therefore, he got the Samantaka as well. He got involved in the mess there. Correct?
Yeah, that messed up with that.
You nonsense! You took Krishna away from us. Chalo. Anyway, it's very for us. What we are seeing here is actually pure love. This is very purifying because in this world we have so much material love, but it's all who in the material world loves like this? Nobody. Such intense love. Some of the gopis practically have fainted there on the ground. They cannot bear to see the separation from Krishna. Okay, so anyway, they went home in greatly pain. They are at home and they're constantly thinking about Krishna. Correct? Sometimes the gopis joke, if we can forget this Krishna for some time, so we cannot forget. We can't do our household work only. He has entered our heart. We here are struggling to remember him. They are struggling if we can forget him, but they cannot. They are totally captured Krishna in the court of their heart. Yes, Prabhuji, Surnath Prabhu, you read.
Yeah. The Lord, accompanied by Akrura and Balram, drove the chariot with great speed towards the bank of the Yamuna. Simply by taking a bath in the Yamuna, anyone can diminish the reaction of his sinful activities. Both Krishna and Balram took their baths in the river and washed their faces. After drinking the transparent, crystal clear water of the Yamuna, they took their seats again on the chariot. The chariot was standing underneath the shade of big trees, and both brothers sat down there. Akrura then took their permission to also take bath in the Yamuna. According to Vedic ritual, after taking bath in the river, one should stand at least half submerged and murmur the Gayatri mantra. While he was standing in the river, Akrura suddenly saw both Balram and Krishna within the water. He was surprised to see them there because he was confident that they were sitting on the chariot. Confused, he immediately came out of the water and went to see where the boys were, and he was very surprised to see that they were sitting on the chariot as before. When he saw them on the chariot, he began to wonder whether he saw them in the water. He therefore went back to the river. This time he saw not only Balram and Krishna there, but many of the demigods and all the Siddhas, Charnas, and Gandharvas. They were all standing before the Lord, who was lying down. He also saw the Sheshnag with thousands of hoods. Lord Sheshnag was covered with bluish garments, and his necks were all white. The white necks of Sheshnag appeared exactly like snow-capped mountains. On the curved lap of Sheshnag, Akrura saw Krishna sitting very soberly with four hands. His eyes were like the reddish petals of the lotus flower.
Okay, so I got darshan. So actually, one way Akrura will not worry now because he's has devotee. Krishna doesn't want devotee to have any anxiety. When he sees whom he's taking, Krishna Balaram, what is the purpose of Krishna showing? What reason I can understand is that Akrura will not have any anxiety now. Otherwise, he'll be feeling, oh my God, I'm taking somebody to death. Correct? Reassuring him, huge Ananta Sesha Lord like Narayana. He has no worry now. Correct? Anna? Otherwise, as a devotee, still we are there in the metal world. He may have worry. This fellow is killer. Will he give any trouble to Krishna? So reassure him. God, you are worried of Narayana. Oh, and Ananta, 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 He believe peaceful. Any other reason, Shisha, why he showed this? Why did he show? Now, Vrindavan Krishna is changing to Vasudev Krishna.
Yeah, Akrura was actually that he is a worshipper of Lakshmi Narayana, actually, as such.
Okay.
Yeah, Vasudeva Krishna.
Oh, he is a worshipper of Lakshmi Narayana. Therefore, the Lord showed it from this form.
Yeah, that Ananta, yeah, that form he showed, actually. As such.
Oh, but because that is his mood of worship.
That's the mode of worship of Akrura.
Oh, that is the reason. Okay, interesting. And also, he will have no worry, no anxiety now. Correct? You see the Narayana and all opulence, he has no anxiety now. Correct? He becomes more reassured.
Aishwarya Leela.
Yeah, that will give him also reassurance. He can fearlessly take the chariot because Krishna looks Manu Sarupa. It may be sometimes he may have some kind of anxiety. Just like when Vasudeva and Devaki, Krishna came in Narayana form in front of them. Correct? In the beginning. Correct? Isn't it?
Yeah.
The full Chakra Gada. The worry goes away immediately. The anxiety goes away. Even when Prahlad Maharaj was Narsimha, when Hiranyakashipu took out his sword, Narsimha already appeared in the pillar and were reassured. Don't worry, don't worry. All right. Okay. Chalo, we continue. So where is the changing happening now? Vrindavan Krishna took bath and came out as Vasudev Krishna, isn't it?
Now already changed.
Yeah.
Already changed. No, on the chariot is sitting Vrindavan Krishna, Vasudev Krishna. Correct?
No,
Manjula Mataji, did you get the point? Hare Krishna, Manjula Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. The Mataji got a call.
she cannot talk. She's
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. Hare Yes, Prabhu.
You got the point, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Vrindavan Krishna doesn't leave Vrindavan. So Akrura Ghat, where is the Shisha? Akrura Ghat?
Yes,
yeah, Akrura Ghat is there on the way to Mathura. That we the first time we went, Prabhu.
No,
Akrura
not
Ghat.
that when we do the Parikrama Vrindavan, that time it doesn't come.
No, Prabhu. No.
Where it
That
comes?
first time we went, no, Prabhu. That first time trip that Mahaprabhu Prabhu took us. At that time, we had taken to Bhatroli Krishna and from Akrura Ghat and Bhatroli Krishna. Bhatroli Krishna means that Ajnik Brahmins, that temple of
How
Ajnik.
many kilometers from Vrindavan it comes, Akrura Ghat?
It is just leaving about 5 to 7 kilometers.
5 to 7 kilometers.
Yeah.
Next time. Isn't it Shobhamati? We should have a nice trip of Vrindavan with Shisha. Correct?
Yes, Prabhu.
He knows all the places. So we can visit, plan, elaborate. Actually, we should have 6-7 days if you want to go every place nicely. And go there, do kirtan and not go too many places in a day. That becomes exhausting also. Correct?
Yes.
I don't know. Krishna can arrange. With his hand, eyes like a little spread. Other words, yes, Surnath Prabhu.
In other words, after returning, Akrura saw Balram turned into Sheshnag and Krishna turned into Mahavishnu. He saw the four-handed Supreme Personality of Godhead smiling very beautifully. He was very pleasing to all and was looking towards everyone. He appeared beautiful with his raised nose, broad forehead, spread up ears, and reddish lips. His arms reaching to the knees were very strongly built. His shoulders were high, his chest very broad and shaped like the conch shell. His navel was very deep, and his abdomen was marked with 3 lines. His waist was broad and big, resembling the hips of a woman, and his thighs resembled the trunks of elephants. The other parts of his legs, the joints and lower extremities were all very beautiful. The nails of his feet were dazzling, and his toes were as beautiful as the petals of the lotus flower. His helmet was decorated with very valuable jewels. There was a nice belt around the waist, and he wore a sacred thread across his broad chest. Bangles were on his hands, and armlets on the upper portion of his arms. He wore bells on his ankles. He possessed dazzling beauty, and his arms were like a lotus flower. He was still more beautiful with different emblems of the Vishnu Murti, the conch shell, club, dish, and lotus flower, which he held in
Four hands.
his 4 hands. His
Yes.
chest was marked with the particular signs of Vishnu, and he wore fresh flower garlands. All in all, he was very beautiful to look at. Akrura also saw his lordship surrounded by intimate associates like the 4 Kumaras, Sanak, Sanatan, Sanand, and Sanat Kumar. Other associates like Sunanda and Nanda, as well as demigods like Brahma and Lord Shiva. The 9 great learned sages were there, and devotees like Prahlad and Narada were engaged in offering prayers to the Lord with clean hearts and pure words. After seeing the transcendental personality of Godhead, Akrura immediately became overwhelmed with great devotion, and all over his body there was transcendental shivering. Although for the moment he was bewildered, he retained his clear consciousness and bowed down his head before the Lord. With folded hands and faltering voice, he began to offer prayers to the Lord.
So,
Thus ends the Bhakti Vedanta purport of the 38th chapter of Krishna, Akrura's return journey and his visiting of Vishnu Loka within the Yamuna River.
take it so beautiful. Akrura's taking darshan of Narayana. So beautiful. That beauty means it comes from Krishna. All the discussion of this beauty of the body, all the jewels he's holding, celebration when you see the Lord. And then all the great devotees, and it's said with the pure hearts. And only then we can be able to clean hearts, pure words. They're offering beautiful prayer. And Akrura is a great devotee, you see. When he saw the Lord, it was so much transcendental happiness. And then after that, he starts offering prayer. That is what we're going to read next time. Yes, any other comments here today?
They have not shown anything, Jasoda Mata, no crying. Is there any separate chapter?
About that? No, they didn't talk about that. Definitely, when Uddhava comes, he sees they are almost dead. They're almost dead. But here the focus was on the gopis. One thing was focused on. Correct? Otherwise, maybe the chapter will become very big. Anna?
They summarized it.
Yeah, I think the
Bhagavatam
Mother Yashoda
summarized.
also felt intense separation. Anna?
Yeah.
Expected. Or Madhurya Rasa is also intense, and Vasila Rasa is also very intense.
Yeah.
Why is it not discussed here? Shobha Mataji, very good question. Why not discussed Mother Yashoda's pain?
In the next chapter, Prabhuji.
Huh?
The next chapter it will be there, no?
Oh, she said, just wait. It's going to come. Yes. It just, this lot is focused on the gopis who did not sleep all night. And they came running and trying to stop the chariot. Yes. So we had, you brought one person, no? Who was the person, Mataji? Jiten Sena?
Jitendriya
Yeah.
Krishna Das. Hare
So
Krishna.
today, he can sing which one? Jai Radhe, Jai Krishna? That will be good, no?
Any song.
Huh?
Yeah, he's very nice Bengali song.
Take
Hare
care.
Krishna, Jitendriya Prabhu. Jitendriya Prabhu ji.
Ashisha, which song? Select the song. Gaurav?
One song, Prabhu, I can recommend.
Which one?
Ohe Vaishnav Thakur, Dayarasa.
Okay. You want to hear that today?
That he sings wonderfully.
Oh.
Any song he sings, no, that will take you to that.
Chalo, Vaishnav Thakur first we can do. Because let us take mercy of Guru and Vaishnav. Then we go to after that.
Jai Shri Krishna also he sings very well.
Oh, Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, that Prabhu Nityananda.
Yeah, yes. No, Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu.
No, I was thinking where Vrindavan we are leaving, no? So we talk about Vrindavan. Jai Radha, Jai Krishna. Huh?
Yes, that we can ask him.
Already ready, huh? Manjula Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yes,
Yeah, she said that long time we are pulling her. Actually, she's not coming.
Krishna.
A long journey. At last finished.
Yeah,
And
only when separation is there, Surnath Prabhu, then only you enjoy meeting.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can see this beautiful picture. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Jiten ji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Okay, Jai Radhe ji. आपके पास करताल कुछ है उधर?
Actually, Prabhu, I am residing inside a defense area, and around I cannot make. Actually, I'll sing slowly.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. Any problem? No problem. ठीक.
I cannot make.
Any problem is there? I'll ask somebody there today. ठीक है.
I'll sing, but I'll sing in low volume. Okay.
No problem. No problem.
No problem.
Clear?
Yes, we can hear. We
Yeah.
can
Sound is
hear.
clear, Prabhu?
Yeah, we can hear. Everybody, क्या करो अपना volume बढ़ा दो. ठीक है. Because they're all in different countries, there are so many problems.
I'll sing Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More. Okay.
okay.
You want to sing that one? Can you see this? Okay. Chalo, we'll take Daya of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Let me share that, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Just wait, Prabhuji.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya.
This is by Narottam Das Thakur. Correct. You all can see this?
Yeah. Only photo.
What you are seeing now, Lord Chaitanya?
Yeah.
Okay, so this has come now?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Actually, I'm singing with the agitation, so my sound will not be.
No problem. No problem.
Sorry.
That's not important. You sing with heart. We want to hear devotees' heart.
Ajano lambida bhuja kanaka avadato sankirtanai kapitaro kamala taksho vishambaro dijabharo yuga dharma palo Ande jagat priya karo karuna avataro Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya karo more Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya karo more Tuma bina ke dayalu jagat samsare Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Padita Pavana Hetu Avayavataro Mosamabha Pita Prabhu Napai Beharo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Mahaprabhu Nityananda Premananda Shuki Mahaprabhu Nityananda Premananda Shuki Kripa Bala Kanagara Ami Baraduki Shri Krishna Chaitanya দয়া করো সীতাপতি অদ্বৈত গোসাই দয়া করো সীতাপতি অদ্বৈত গোসাই তব কৃপা বলে পাই চৈতন্য নিতাই শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু দয়া করো মোরে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য আহা স্বরূপ সনাতন রূপ রঘুনাথ আহা স্বরূপ সনাতন রূপ রঘুনাথ ভট্ট যুগ শ্রীজীব প্রভু লোকনাথ শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু দয়া কর মোরে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ দয়া কর শ্রী আচার্য প্রভু শ্রীনিবাস দয়া কর শ্রী আচার্য প্রভু শ্রীনিবাস রামচন্দ্র সঙ্গমাগে নরোত্তম দাস শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু দয়া কর মোরে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু দয়া কর মোরে তোমা বিনা কে দয়ালু জগত সংসারে
হরি বল।
Hari Bol.
কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম হরে রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ sorry
Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
and singing
So
because
sweet.
around me all defense people and they're all I am surrounded by all these Muhammad.
Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna Prabhu.
Yeah. Who is going to sing
That
that?
Anand Gaur will sing that. He's very nicely.
Chalo,
Anand.
Gaurav.
Yes.
Special request from Shisha. Chalo, you can share, Gaurav, or
Yes,
I'll
sir.
share. No, don't worry. I already have it, no?
Yes, sir.
Is it shared? No.
Yes.
Yes, shared.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, you have something with you, kartal or some instrument?
Yes, I have, sir.
Okay.
Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan, Shri Govinda Gopinatha Madan Mohan. Sham Kunda Giri Govardhan Chalinde Jamuna Jaya Jaya Mahavan Keshi
Bhavata Shakanan Yahasaba Lila Goilo Srinandanandan Srinanda Jashoda Jaya Jaya Gopada Srirama Jaya Jaya Menu Vatsava Jaya Vrishabhanu Jaya Kirtida Sundari Jai Purnamasi Jaya Viranagari Jai Jai Gopishwara Vrindavanama Jaya Jaya Krishna Sakha Batu Dvajara Jaya Rama Ghata Jaya Rohini Nandan Jaya Jaya Vrindavana Basi Jataja Jaya Dvajapati Jaya Nagatanyanga Bhakti Tejahara Pailo Govindachara Tirasa Mandala Jaya Jaya Radha Shyam Jaya Jaya Rasa Leela Sarvam Manora Jaya Jaya Jala Rasa Sarvarasa Sar Parakyam Bhave Jaha Brajate Prachar Vijanava Pada Padma Koriya Smara Dina Krishnanda Se Kohe Nam Sankirtan Jaya Radha Shamasundara Shamasundara Jai Krishna Balaram Jaya Krishna Balaram Krishna Balaram Jaya Krishna Balaram Jai Gauranita Jai Gauranita Gauranita Jai Gauranita Jai Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada. Hello, thank you everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gaurav. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So we have to Ayush, Hare Krishna, Ayush, welcome. Hare Krishna, Ayush. Somebody has come to join us today from Hyderabad.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Ayush. Where are you staying?
Right now I am at my home in Nepal.
Oh, you are from originally from Nepal.
Yeah.
Okay. So you studied which place, which college?
Triple IT Hyderabad.
Oh, okay. So you are working otherwise in Hyderabad?
No, actually my job will start in Bangalore like from June.
Okay.
I'm not sure right now because of lockdown.
Oh, we don't know what will happen. Things are a lot of insecurity, confusion, Hannah? No problem. So good. You are going to the temple in Hyderabad?
Yeah, I go weekly.
Oh, you used to go, Vedanta Chaitanya Prabhu there? He's in charge, the president there.
Yeah. Like
Next
some
time.
of the lectures I heard from him.
Okay. But next time when you go, just tell him I'm at Namanista. You contacted him. He'll be very happy. He was my very old colleague, very good friend. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So anyway, so this is every day, 3 times in a day. Morning 6 is Gita, 3 o'clock is Gita, and night 9. Generally, we do Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sometimes it is Wednesday is Bhagavatam and Sunday is Krishna.
Okay. Okay.
So thank you, everybody. Now we have to Nupur Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Nupur.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
What do you remember from today's pastime? Tell me the best.
The description of Vishnu, Prabhuji. It was a very nice description.
Beautiful description of Vishnu.
That is the most wonderful thing which I noticed today.
The gopis were crying and feeling separation. That is
Yes, yes, of course.
ये भी
Okay. Thank you, Nupur. Thank you.
Yes, Prabhu.
Shobha Mataji, anything final words from the purport? Krishna book.
Actually, Krishna fulfills his devotees' desires that provided that means good for us only he will fulfill. Means it is. I think it's in the first para only. And after that, Gopi's intense love for Krishna, really it's touched. Today's this one while reading, we can feel the Gopi's separation, but why don't we feel that separation from Krishna like that? I was thinking. But while reading Gopi's separation only, we feel that means how much intense and very nice to read, Prabhuji.
Mataji, thank you, Mataji. This is the night is all your what do you say initiative, and Krishna's grace. It has grown so much, and anything beautiful. So many devotees are coming in. Now the physical buildings or temples more and more will become irrelevant for 6 months at least, because we cannot travel. Even if we go out, Mataji, we can't meet people, and people will be scared to go to any place, isn't it?
Yep.
So this is all virtual temples now, So you have created one temple where devotees meet. Isn't it? You constructed a temple already. Yes, so many devotees are gathering. Such nice. Because the intention was sweet. Intention was let devotees gather and hear. Yes. Thank you.
Correct.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Amrita
Thank you,
Mataji,
Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Very much. Yes, sir.
Raman, Hare Krishna. Jiten Prabhu, thank you for your guest appearance. And हमारा जो डेली चैतन्य चरितामृत होता है उसमें बहुत जरूरत होता है कोई बंगाली में पढ़ने का। एक सुष्मिता माता जी वो भी मदद करता है, आप भी कभी आई। और उधर बहुत आप चैतन्य में अभी तो नित्यानंद प्रभु का हम पढ़ रहे हैं, तो उधर नित्यानंद प्रभु का वो कोड़ा निताई आपको मालूम है, शुरू भी कुंजे बौड़ो खबर, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कोई नित्यानंद प्रभु का प्रेयर आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्णा। जितेंद्र प्रभु, थैंक्स फॉर सिंगिंग। कृष्णदासन प्रभु, हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम।
हाँ, टुडे आपका नारायण का तो दर्शन हो गया।
Yes, प्रभु जी।
Shobha Mataji, he fulfilled all the desires. He fulfilled the desire for Narayana darshan.
Complete description of Lord Narayana.
Yes, very happy.
Very happy.
Fulfilled all the desires.
Very nice description to meditate on Lord when we are doing the meditation. The each and every description, it's very nice to meditate.
Prajesh, you are able to understand anything you can. Where was somebody? Ayush, you can message to me, chat me your number. So I'll put you on the broadcast group so you get messages. Okay, Ayush? Either you message kar dena.
Yeah.
There is opportunity to you message. Then type kar dena number. It will stay with me. Prajesh, is it fine? Any question?
It's fine, Prabhuji. No question.
Sandeep ji, Hare Krishna. We have one more visitor. Other people don't know. Sandeep ji is from Bangalore. As far as I remember, he's a software engineer. Isn't it, Sandeep ji?
Yeah, that's right, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Okay. So, Sandeep, you have anything to add? What was the thing most touching today?
Yeah, the most touching was basically the amount of the love that within by the gopis, or Krishna,
Yes.
and the detailing that is being done in the Chaitanya Gita. So that was very
Correct. We are reading that, in fact, Sandeep, daily. We read that whole chapter, Lord Chaitanya's appearance, and we were really drinking by Krishna's grace. And now we are in Nityananda Prabhu's. There is a discussion of the creation going on, and then so you can welcome to join. There are actually 12 chapters of Chaitanya Charitamrita, which will form the foundation, and then we'll start the childhood pastimes, and then youth all pastimes of Lord Chaitanya. So you can join us. Then you'll be able to relish Chaitanya Charitamrita. Thank you, Sandeep. It's a daily going on in the night. Shanmukha Sundaram, Hare Krishna Shanmukha. Hare Krishna Shanmukha. He's also recently joined us. He's attending all the classes. Hare Krishna Shanmukha. You are muted. Unmute. Okay. He has messaged to me probably. Ayush. Okay, yes. I've copied Prabhuji. I'll take care of this. Anyway, it is all saved, so it will come to me also. Shriram, Hare Krishna, Shriram.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
चलो, final words from you. क्या चीज जो सबसे अच्छा लगा जो याद करके रखने का?
Prabhuji, we cannot understand Krishna's love. Even when Krishna is separating from gopis, he is expressing the love. He is actually doing favor on gopis. I could not even understand that part. So that is so intense.
And Krishna was shaken by their faces. Correct? It says that. Krishna was shaken seeing the flight of the gopis. Correct?
And he could not believe the love.
He could not be?
He could not believe the gopis' love.
Yeah. He says later, I cannot repay you. Be satisfied by your love only. Okay? So thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, everybody. Chalo, we end here. Srila Prabhupada ki. Hare Krishna bo ki. Vacha kalpatarubhasya kripasindhubhya evata patitanam bhagavebhyo Vaishnavabhyo Ananta Koti Vaishnavindra ki.